Hi, welcome to Shop Stop. This week we want to talk about breaking a bolt loose. If you've got a bolt that's been in a hole and as you tried to remove it, it broke off.
We've got two different instances here. We've got one with some of the bolts sticking out, and one's down here flush, and we're going to try a couple of techniques to get these out. The first thing you want to do though is try the simplest methods first before you go any farther.
The one where we still have some bolt showing here, you know, we can get some pliers or some vice grips on that and try to break it loose, but it's probably not going to come loose on its own. So we're going to try to do some other things with it, maybe applying a little heat. Oil, certainly, we can put it on there, but if we apply heat and oil, it's going to burn right off.
So we're going to use some wax, and the best thing to use is beeswax. We don't have any beeswax today, but we've got some other wax here. And we're going to chuck this up in a vise. This is aluminum, so we don't want to get it so hot. Of course, we're just using a little propane torch here. And we're going to heat that up a little bit. Let's see what we got here.
It's starting to bubble a little bit on this side, so.
Let's see some bubbling happening. Okay, let's see what that does.
As you put your vice grips on, the wax is going to act as a lubricant in between the threads. And it looks like it's
our
coming
lucky
loose.
day. This way now. And that is how you can extract a bolt that's seized using some wax and some heat.
The other situation we had where the bolt was broke off flush is going to require a little more effort because we can't get pliers or vice grips on the end of it. So after we've drilled the bolt and tried to remove most of it, unfortunately the bit kind of went off to the side a little bit, wasn't sharpened correctly. We may be able to salvage the hole. Otherwise we're going to be drilling the threads out and probably just running a bolt all the way through it and putting a nut on it. But we just use a regular tap to go back through with the same thread dimensions that we have on the bolt and try to push the threads right out. Ideally, you've drilled the entire bolt out except for the threads, and those are left in there. That's it for Shop Stop. We'll see you next week.